What is going on, you guys? Today is a good day here in Prague, Czech Republic, and oh look, my car is still looking pretty good right there. Yeah, looks like a really good day. No one's out and about, so. But you know, it's the morning time, so I'm gonna get me something to eat, and then I'm gonna go maybe drive on the streets because it's empty for a first time. So too early, good thing, and yeah. Good morning. Let's see what today offers. Car is still looking pretty good. All right, no one touched it. All right, let's see what today's adventures has. No one should be on the streets, so I'm gonna try it out. Exciting. Let's go check this out. Thank you very much. Okay. This is the kind of ground I'm working with. It kind of sucks. I feel like I don't have any traction here. Hello, Prague. Oh, I'm not excited for this at all. Look at the ground. The ground is absolutely trash. Sorry, car. Horrible. Oh, thank goodness. Man, don't you just love the architecture? Awesome out here. It's amazing. Love it when no one's on the streets. I can just drive freely. This place is pretty cool. Wow, this place is just wow. No one's on the streets. Oh, I see a tunnel. Take that tunnel right there. Don't know where it goes, but it's a tunnel. All right, tunnel. It's by far one of the longest tunnels I've ever been in. That was fun. I like it. Kinda wish it was more straight. Big bumps. It's a nice place. Road's gonna mess me up now. Man, this place is culture. A lot of culture out here. Uh-oh. Big no-no. I gotta ride it aired up the whole time. This sucks. What even are these? What are those? Okay, that's nice. Man, this road is gonna mess me up. Oh, shit. Finally, a road that I can use. Back to more stones. What is even this? What even is that? God, imagine me doing this in the afternoon where there's everybody here. That would suck. Ooh, look at that. More stones? Okay. Mess me up, come on. I don't even know where the lanes are. Please, no more stones. No more stone roads, please. Oh, tunnel. Okay, I like this. back at the Hilton. Thank you. No, we don't park here. No, we don't park here. Nope. We park where it's safe for our car. Yes, we park where it's safe. Not here. I mean, we could park here, but it's already taken. But no, we don't park there. We park. Nope, that's taken. We park where we feel is safe for our cars, and this is not safe. You see how close everyone's parked? Heck no. We park over here in the VIP spots. Yep, back where we started, we park here in the VIP spot. But anyways, that's gonna be it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed Prague the way I enjoyed Prague. It was the perfect time to drive, in my opinion, because there's nobody there, nobody outside, very minimal cars, and it's beautiful. It's a beautiful place, a lot of culture. But thank you for watching. I hope you guys like it. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next video. Peace.